What's up, YouTube? Yeah. How your day was? Anyway, my nigga do a little talking. You see the title of the video? You know what I'm saying? Just a little something, just a little vlog. Yeah. Yeah. Going to the trail. Might get mauled by a freaking deer or something, you know what I'm saying? Black people instincts might kick me. Don't mind music in the background. Know what y'all saying? Look. It ain't my music, man. It's just, you know, today a good morning. When it's a good morning, you listen to friendly stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Ain't nothing wrong, right?
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong. Ain't nothing wrong with just music. You just listen to it, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta expand your cultural difference.
Yeah, it's culture. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get tired, listen to I'ma run to your mama house, fuck up. You get tired of that, but you know what I'm saying?
Sometimes you gotta give yourself peace, man.
Yeah, it's just peace. Like I always say, peace, love, positivity. Well, I ain't always say that. I got that from X. And that take you a long way when you think about it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You give out what you put into your body, man.
Yeah.
Like food and shit, you know?
Yeah. But, yeah. Y'all just gotta use your brain, you know what I'm saying? Just, cause if you just fill your brain up with stupid stuff all the time, then you gonna give out stupid. Fill your brain up with positive and positive and good energy. Give out positive energy. But anyway, y'all, see y'all at the trail, you know what I mean? Don't leave, you know, stay. Well, it's been crazy shit. Really crazy.
Hey, Uncle Jay, look at that. Hey, Jeremiah. Look at this. Hey, no, point it at there. Point it at the water, the thing, the phone.
Yo,
Scaredy cat.
Jeremiah, you shouldn't have done that. You're gonna go pop it down on that phone.
I need help.
it's some stupid shit.
No.
You about to fall in the water. How y'all gonna get back?
Easy. You get that.
What the?
Oh no, we can't go any farther, guys. No,
Cuss that.
no, we can only stay here.
Well, I dropped my phone in the water. It's over. Never going in the woods again.
Jeremiah, we can't reach that far.
What is wrong with you?
Well,
We can't reach that
You
far.
are so,
We'll
we
go
are
back.
so getting, you need duct tape.
Reach that thing.
I'm not gonna be a
Fine.
Fine. I'm not going to be a scary cat.
you need my voice.
No.
Up there, fall in the water.
We can't reach that far.
We can't go there.
Up there, fall in the
You're
water.
not going to be okay. Oh, yes, we can.
Shoot,
No,
run.
yes, we can.
Jeremiah, help us.
What is
We can't
wrong
reach
with
that
you?
far.
Oh,
I hate you.
Let's just do it.
Well, I'm going. I don't forget y'all.
Jeremiah.
Shit.
Let's just go back.
Yeah. And then when he gets back, put him in a, when our pool is ready, we're going to push you in the pool. I made it.
All right, y'all get wet.
I hate you.
He made it. He made it. Why y'all can't make it? He made it. Come on. Y'all can do it.
What is that?
Jeremiah, I hate you.
Come on.
No!
Just Come on.
What is wrong with you? Ha 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 ha. Okay, we'll give you 5 milkshakes too.
He got.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all go back for alligators and turtles snapping. But yo, how you gonna get back? Walk that way. Hey. Walk this way. Right here. Over here. And then you go there right down.
I guess we got it.
Wait. No, don't do that. Walk over here. Hold up.
Mama said we can't go any farther.
Yeah, you got it. Shit, you got it. That nigga an athlete, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit. I almost lost my life. Look at his nigga. Shit, damn. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. There you go. We on some Discovery Channel white boy shit. You know what I'm saying? Some dumb shit. This nigga on FaceTime with Sachi. There you go. Oh, shit. Oh. Damn, I almost lost my life. You know what I mean? Yeah, you doing game hard out again. Oh, nah, they ain't. This is gonna roll up. Look. No, Jody. You saw me push. I said, look, you said.
Why would you push it over when I was finna stand on it?
I told you. I told you, look. I said, look, I pushed on you. Right when I push you, gonna push on you. Oh, dang.
Come on, let's go.
Dang.
You gonna keep going?
Hey, huh? Yeah.
You gonna keep going? Go.
Okay. It's beef cake. God dang. Oh. What's that?
This her phone.
Oh, that's a spider.
Is a spider over there?
Yeah, spider right there.
Where?
Let's see.
That's that black, what you call it, she was talking
Yeah,
about.
that little black widow spider. This 30.
Yes,
Man, I
sir.
can't even
It's
look at my pen on my pants.
You gonna rip your damn thing?
Hey, hold up.
Get up there.
Hold up. I can't go up.
It's 30 though.
Hold on, pen. I got it. Stop
I
putting
just
pens
got that a
in.
while ago.
Alright. See, gangsters can't come over here. Dang. I'm gonna get over there.
I want to go over there.
Mm.
I like that place. Let's go over there. I think you'll have to walk on this sand a little bit though. This is just such an angle.
Gonna bust your face in. Your back and then that.
You think you can make that jump?
Huh?
You think you can make this jump?
This 30.
Huh?
Huh? I don't. You wouldn't have to if you can do this.
That's what I was thinking. You can go to that one.
Shit.
Careful.
This dog
It
sin.
was at an angle.
No, that dog sin gritty.
I think I'm gonna go there.
Be careful, cause white girl is gonna be sleeping cause that sand.
Oh, fuck!
Johnny, what the fuck? I told you. I told you, bro.
I was trying to hold on, but I was trying to hold my phone. Oh, shit.
Hey, you need to retire from rock climbing. No more rock climbing for you, bro. God dang.
I was trying to hold on to my phone. A little bit, yeah. Look,
All the way to his ankle wet.
my front, my shoes.
God dang. Hey, bro.
You have on the wrong shoes to be on the trail.
I know.
She put them other ones on. Now I ain't like the mother probably
All right,
slippery
fuck it,
too.
let's go.
Yeah, it's no more. I told you don't. Dang. Alright, bro. I'm finna get back with
Yeah, I
y'all.
was finna say, I'm finna hang up this
I'm
phone.
finna get,
I'm
I'm finna get back with y'all before
Alright, okay.
until I get back on the fucking drill, cause this is a fucking journey, adventure.
Yeah.
It's still highly dangerous. You need all your freaking body parts at all times. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'll get back with y'all. I'm back. Had you see? But that was crazy. It was snakes up in there.
That's why you guys should.
Bro, I feel like I was playing some real life Fortnite. Real G shit.
You guys see how you guys